Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sax Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the motion blur effect that's going on your LG TV. So I was playing on my PS5 Pro, and I have a QNED LG TV, and everything just looked like it had terrible motion blur. And when I turned off the VRR setting, it seemed like everything got much better. So press settings on your controller or your remote right here and open this up. Open up the game optimizer, and we want to turn off VRR. So we can go to the game optimizer right here, and this helped a lot. Now VRR can be helpful, but in my case I don't think it was very helpful whatsoever. So you can turn this off on the TV setting and the PlayStation setting, but I'd suggest just doing it on the LG TV or whatever setting you got on here. So it says adjust the number of frames to minimize cracking and interruptions on the screen. So just go ahead and just turn this off, and then you got AMD FreeSync Premium. You can try turning this off as well. ALLM, auto low latency mode, is definitely something you want to have on. But as soon as I did this, I swear that everything looked so much better. The game was really, it seemed like it had really bad motion effects and blur. And it was just hard to look at the screen and play. But go ahead and just try that out, turn off VR, and see if that helps you guys. Hopefully this video did. Peace.